Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the unloading of new contacts from Zoho CRM to the Jira Service Desk Task Manager. This is necessary in order to automatically transmit new contacts from Zoho CRM to other systems. For example, in Jira Service Desk you can create new requests, conveniently store, process and interact in every possible way with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. As a data reception system, select Jira Service Desk. Next, you need to select the action, Create Request. At this stage, you need to connect your Jira Service Desk account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, it is necessary to specify the login and password of the Jira personal account. At this stage, it is necessary to provide an ApiX-Drive permit to work with your Jira account. When the connected login displayed in the list, select it and click on. At this stage, you need to choose a project in which new requests will be created on the basis of a new contact from Zoho CRM. You also need to select the type of request. Now you see the Jira Service Desk fields to create a new request. In the summary field we can indicate its name. To do this, we can assign some variable from the contact of Zoho CRM. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Pay attention, you can use not only variables, but also prescribe values manually. The next field we can assign variables from Zoho CRM, which we want to transmit to Jira Service Desk. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data that will be sent to Jira Service Desk in the form of new requests with each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go a step back. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Jira Service Desk. After successful sending, go to Jira and check the result. If everything is happy with you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue to set up. This is the setting of data from the Jira Service Desk data successfully completed. Now you need to turn on the auto-updating and select the interval of communication, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful settings of integration and good luck.